شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن.
Shaykh, some people in this blessed month of Ramadan pay zakat specifically in this month. What do you say about this practice? And although it has more ajr and
to pay the zakat in Ramadan, it always brings you more, of course, ajr from Allah. The reward multiplies manyfold. However, the practice of specifically paying the zakat only in Ramadan and then not paying around the year or never paying at any other time, it is also something which needs to be looked at once again, because let's not just limit the zakat or any charity for that matter to Ramadan only. So for example, I'll give you an example situation that all throughout Ramadan we have people in our society giving free food every day, but suddenly stops on Eid. And on Eid, on the days of Eid, it is very important, also important, on that day to share food as well, and to share blessings. In fact, it's important around the year. So giving it in Ramadan is perfectly fine. It's of course halal, it's allowed, and it brings multiple ajr as well. That's also true. However, I would like to spread it a bit around the year so people can benefit not just in 1 month. That's something to be thought about.